Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Meta Glasses speakers not working. I ran into a situation recently where Meta Smart Glasses suddenly stopped playing audio, and at first it looked like a hardware problem, but most of the time it's actually something simple. The first thing I check is the audio output on the phone. I play a song, open the Bluetooth or media output settings, and make sure the Meta Glasses are selected as the active playback device. If my phone is connected to other devices like earbuds, speakers, or a car system, I disconnect those so the audio doesn't get redirected. If that doesn't fix it, I try a quick reset by placing the glasses back into their charging case, closing the lid, waiting about 30 seconds, and then putting them on again. I'll also toggle Bluetooth off and back on to force a fresh connection. After that, I check the volume levels on both the phone and glasses and make sure the speaker vents aren't blacked by dust. If none of that works, updating the MetaView app or firmware usually resolves the issue. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.